How's it going, everyone? It's your boy MTG Unveiled here with an opening video. It's been a minute. I got 3 packs of Commander Legends draft boosters, 3 Cold Hand set boosters, and the cherry on top, the last that was available at my Target, Ikoria 15 card collector boosters. And how about that Lily in Strixhaven? She's looking good. I love the art. I actually really like the card. Feel it should be a lot of fun with Turgid as the commander. Pardon me. Seasonal allergies are a thing. And pardon my workstation, I'm working on lots of different commander decks. And of course, the first pack I get is impossible to open. There we go. Alright. So oddly enough, I still have never pulled a Vampiric Tutor. There we go. Kind of glide through these bad boys. Everybody's seen them. I mean, there are some awesome commons. My friend Alt MTG says there are a lot of commons I could overlook. But if you build a deck, like a commander deck with just rares and mythics, it doesn't function the greatest. Alright, Fencing Aced. Null Color. Dreamstone Hedron, and we got a Amphin Mutineer. Can't talk today, so that's fun. Alright, we got a Numa Jiraga Chieftain. Mira Thorn of the Glade, and a Finglade Fugitives with a zombie token. Alright, that was clearly an elf pack, except I got a Mutineer. I don't know how that fits in. So what did everyone think of Time Spiral? I didn't go too heavy on it. Maybe because I already had a lot of the cards, or I missed out on the pre-sale prices, pre-order prices, but very expensive now. If you can find a box, they're around $300. Personally, I think that's absurd. Not that it's a bad set, but at that price, come on now. You can buy the singles. That's what I ended up doing. But I like cracking packs. Wheel of Misfortune, that's pretty good. Hoping for some spice. Yeah, there we go. Alright, that goes with the Amphin Mutineer, so I can build some kind of Salamander Tribal. And a Wild Celebrants. Oh, the Prismatic Piper. With the actual at the beginning of your end step, it used to say at the beginning your end step of was omitted. It was a funny typo. Might be slightly longer. I like to open up like the cardboard, so the legitimacy of my openings is a little bit more apparent. Because I've opened some funky stuff lately. From a Commander Legends collector pack, I got a Keldheim card. I've gotten misprints, all sorts of strange things, so always film. Alright, got a Pen and Blade, Vow of Lightning, Victimize. This card is awesome. I run it in every black deck that I play. I mean, you pay 2 and a black, and you choose 2 creature cards in your graveyard. You can sacrifice a token. And if you do, return the chosen cards to the battlefield tapped. It's just a great card. And, ugh. Sorry, sorry, Weaver Druid. Didn't mean to do you like that, but those were not too great. Alright. Now I see that why that one was still on the shelf. They must have known. Alright, out of these 3 packs, I would be extremely happy if I got a Hull Breacher, obviously a Jeweled Lotus, quite a few good cards in this set. Ah, finally. something of value in these packs. The lowly command tower. I mean, if you're playing Commander, which is what I play, you need stacks of these. Got the Vow of Flight. We got the Kanji's Lieutenant. I'm feeling these 3 packs here. I'm feeling that there's something spicy in them. Crafted War Gear. Undergrowth Stadium. You know, I'll take that. I'll take that all day. I don't have a choice, but I'll put that in good pile. Non-bulk. Elves again, and we got, ooh, Emoti, Celebrant of Bounty. This is going to go straight into my Jadora of the Cosmos deck. Fantastic. Maybe not the highest end pull, but it'll go very well in this bad boy. Very happy to have pulled that. Putting that over to the side, and we got a Spirit Token. And buy more cards and stuff. Alright. 2 packs of this left, and then I got some Coldham, and then the Ikoria. I bought 2 Ikoria of the 3 that were at the store the other day. Apparently nobody cares about them. But they're price matched to $19.97, and I think they're a pretty good buy at that. Especially with the buyer's impulse type of deal. Alright. Make a Stand. Burnished Heart. The foil of this before the reprint was so expensive. Ooh, Thought Vessel. I'll actually put these 2 off to a good pile. Come on, a Mythic. Nope. Staff of Domination. It's a good card, though. You can do a lot of things with it. A lot of shenanigans if you get infinite mana. Ooh, doggy. That thing powers up. If you would scry a number of cards, draw that many cards instead. Elagath is quite good. Can't argue with Elagath. Honestly, there could be a lot of card draw with that. And that's a 5/6 for 4 and 2 blue. And a Rummaging Goblin. 2 a Goblin value is based on the 4 S's: Shiny, Stabby, Smelly, and Super Smelly. And to us, the value is based on Commander Legends cards, not turning into Pringles. Alright, last pack of this. Again, I like to enjoy my openings. Obviously, this cardboard is like the same thing as tearing up dollar bills sometimes, so let's see. Meteoric Mace, Hunter's Insight. It's a pretty good card. I could see a lot of use for this. I haven't run it yet, because I usually run more permanent forms of card draw. Gilt Leaf Winnower. Oh boy. Of course. Well, this card haunts my dreams. It's worth about $1. But it's a mythic, so there we go. Alright, so those were pretty mediocre Commander Legends packs, to be honest with you. I got the Undergrowth Stadium and I guess another Profane Transfusion. I don't see a lot of ways to use that. But it's a thing. So there we are. Beautiful. I think that's yeah, Glittering Frost. Art card. Get a snow-covered land. Let's tear it through the commons and uncommons. The Bears of Litjara. And looks to be Scorn Effigy. This card's pretty good in draft. And an Elf Warrior. Ooh, you know what this means? It's a list card. Trying to open quicker. Usually I open this way, so I don't see if it's a token or not. but hoping for a good list card to save this opening. Tibble's Trickery. This makes Arena poopy. Glittering Frost. Alright, now we're getting to the list card. There's a lot of good list cards. They've evaded me thus far. Shuriken. It's just dust. It's 1 mana. Equipment. Equipped creature has unattached Shuriken. Shuriken deals 2 damage to target creature. That creature's controller gains control of Shuriken unless it was unattached from a ninja. Equip 2. I'll take it. Again, I don't have a choice, do I? Moving right along. I'll open this one like I normally do, so I don't see if it's a list card or not. Keeps the surprise alive. Oh, King Narfi. Volatile Ford. The foiling in Kaldheim is beautiful. Alright, moving right along to hopefully something good. Hey! I had someone from Japan telling me this is like 20 bucks over there. I have a lot of it. I mean, it's quite good, Angel Tribal, and it should have the one where Angels cost 2 less in this pack then? Maybe not. Nope. Mystic Reflection. That's a good card. Mystic Reflection and something like Nagila, that's just dirty. Oh, it's another list card. Vernal Equinox. I have no idea what this is. Alright, it's from Mercadian Masks, I believe. Hence the mask. Beautiful Rebecca Gay art. It's 3 and a green. Enchantment. Any player may play creature and enchantment spells anytime he or she could play an instant. Alright, well, for a Chaos deck, this thing is straight fire. I don't know if it's worth anything. I highly doubt it, because giving your opponents that ability too, it's kind of shenanigans, but cool. I'll put that in with the... I'm sure it's worth more than that Mythic I pulled from Commander Legends. Alright, here's where I could get full redemption on this video. Let us find out what joys or horrors are inside this Ikoria pack. And I don't know how I managed to open it like Freddy Krueger or Wolverine, but there we go. Alright, starting off strong with the Beast and Human Soldier token. Glimmerbell, Forbidden Friendship. Serrated Scorpion. I have too many piles, it's kind of absurd. Sorry. Pyroceratops, Migration Path. Love this card. That'll go into the good pile. Of course, I just ordered this Trumpeting Gnar for the Ghidorah deck, but now I have it right now, so nobody cares. An Island Agitator Ant. That's from a deck I just bought. Lurus of the Dream Den. That's a good card. Unbelievably powerful on Arena. I mean, without even running it as a companion in Commander. During each of your turns, you can cast 1 permanent spell with converted mana cost 2 or less from your graveyard. A 3/2 lifelink for 3. That's definitely good. Titan's Nest. That's cool. Got a Vulpikeet. A Glowstone Recluse. Oh, beautiful. I love these full art, or yeah, I think, yeah, that's full art. That's not extended. Full art Triomes. And we got Borat, the Perfect Pet, and a Lord Dracus. So, all in all, it's pretty good. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Catch you on the flip side. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. It helps me a lot. And yeah. Who's looking forward to Strixhaven? Let me know in the comments.